Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 18th October 2025. India is actively seeking partnerships with Russian companies to secure vital rare earth magnets and critical minerals, aiming to reduce dependence on China. This strategic move follows Beijing's recent export curbs impacting key industries. Indian firms and research institutions are evaluating Russian processing technologies with potential collaborations involving state-run giants like Nornickel and Rosatom. JSW Infrastructure will invest Rs 4,000 crore in its port operations and Rs 1,500 crore in its logistics arm in financial year 26. This spending will support both organic and inorganic growth. The company reported a profit after tax decline of 3.5% for the June quarter. Total revenue increased by 26% year-on-year. Lenskart launches its initial public offering next month. It could be among India's largest new age listings. Founders Piyush Bansal, Neha Bansal, Amit Chaudhary and Sumit Kapahi will be selling a portion of their shares along with investors such as SoftBank, Premji Invest, Temasek, Kedara Capital and Alpha Wave Global. The total size of the IPO, which includes both fresh shares and an offer for sale component, is expected to be between Rs 7,500 and Rs 8,000 crore. Arun Kumar, founder of Strides Group and OneSource, has secured Rs 1,000 crore by pledging shares. This move refinances existing loans, extending maturities and simplifying repayments. The transaction aims to consolidate smaller borrowings into larger, long-term facilities. It reflects a broader effort to clean up promoters' balance sheet and shows a decline in pledging shares, indicating deleveraging. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has released a comprehensive master circular that consolidates all existing directions and guidelines governing the issue and listing of various debt instruments. The circular consolidates all relevant directions and amendments up to June 30, 2025. It will serve as a primary reference document for all matters related to the issuance and listing of non-convertible and debt securities henceforth. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has announced an extension of the compliance deadline for angel funds registered under the Alternative Investment Funds regulations. The earlier deadline of October 15, 2025 for complying with disclosure norms related to investment allocation methodology has now been extended to January 31, 2026. From February 1, 2026 onwards, any new investment allocations made by existing angel funds must strictly follow the defined allocation methodology as disclosed in their private placement memorandum.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.